remedy to remove all your facial hair is the famous Ubtan. Yes, you need a little bit of besan, like 2 to 3 heaped tablespoons of besan, a little milk and a little pinch of turmeric and coconut oil. So first of all, I'm taking 2 to 3 tablespoons of besan, and then I'm adding a little bit of turmeric, like a pinch of turmeric. You don't need more than that. And I'm mixing the dry ingredients together so that it doesn't form any kind of lumps. Now I'm mixing milk little by little to make a paste. And at last I'm adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and because it is winters, so it is a bit solidified, so it looks white in the screen. So I'm mixing all the ingredients together so that it doesn't have any kind of lump. And now I'm gonna apply the Ubtan on the places where I have most of my facial hair issues, like on my upper lip area, on my chin area, and on my peach fuzzes. Although I don't have a lot of peach fuzzes, but yeah, I'm applying there as well. But after applying there, I had a lot of product left, and I have very little tiny miny hairs all over my face. Like, yes, I do have. So I'm gonna apply it all over my face, and it will add a lot of glow to my skin, and it will remove all the tan and all the dead skin cells as well. So it has some added benefits to it. So here I'm applying a really thick layer of it all over my face, and then you need to wait for 15 minutes. And when it's almost dry from the outside, you need to massage your face upwards, and at some places you need to swipe your fingers across to get rid of the facial hair. And you can see my face looks a bit red because it removed a lot of my facial hair, and now you have to wash off your face. So the next remedy is the corn flour and egg white face mask. So to make it, you definitely need 2 to 3 heaped tablespoons of corn flour and a little bit of egg white, a little amount of sugar. I'm using white sugar. If you want, you can definitely use brown sugar as well. So first of all, I'm whisking the egg white with a fork, and then I'm adding a tablespoon of sugar in the egg white and whisking it really nicely so that the sugar dissolves into the egg white. Then I'm adding the corn flour little by little and whisking it up so that the mixture is lumps free, and when it looks like a gooey paste like thing, then your face mask is all ready to use. Now you just need to apply it on your hairy areas like chin, upper lip, and your peach fuzzes and whatever. I have applied it all over my face because I didn't want it to waste any of this product. And after it is a bit tacky and it's a bit dried up, you need to apply a tissue paper or a very thin paper, and you need to stick it with your skin. It will easily stick to your skin because your skin is a bit sticky. Make sure that it sticks properly and then pull it out. And it pulled out a lot of hair. I'm not kidding, guys, this really works. So now the next home remedy is honey lemon face mask. So first of all, you need a little bit of sugar because sugar has glycolic acid in it, which is really good for your skin. Then you need a little bit of lemon, like half of a lemon, and honey. So I have squeezed the juice out of half a lemon and I'm adding a little bit of sugar into it. You don't need a lot of sugar. And then I'm adding 2 tablespoons of honey into it. Then you need to apply it all over your face. My face is feeling really soft after applying both the masks, both the previous masks. So yeah, I'm just applying it all over my face. It really helps to lighten all the remaining facial hairs. If you use it regularly, you don't even need to pull out your hairs or anything because it really lightens up your hair. So yeah, it really naturally bleaches your hair. So that's it. You just need to wash it off after 15 to 20 minutes and you're good to go.